Hi everyone. In our previous video, we explored how the breadth first search BFS algorithm works conceptually. Now, let's move on to the practical part, writing the code for BFS. We'll start by initializing two important structures, a queue to manage the order in which we visit nodes, and a set to keep track of visited vertices. We also add the starting vertex to both the queue and the visited list to begin the process. Next, we use a while loop that continues as long as there are vertices in the queue, or optionally until we've visited all vertices, in which case we could include a break condition. Inside the loop, we dequeue the first vertex and explore all of its adjacent, unvisited neighbors. For each unvisited neighbor, we add it to the queue and mark it as visited. This ensures we don't visit the same vertex more than once. We can also print each vertex as we visit it to observe the traversal order. As mentioned earlier, if we've visited all vertices, we can break out of the loop to optimize performance. Now, if we compare BFS with depth first search, DFS, the key difference lies in the data structure used. BFS uses a queue while DFS uses a stack. Aside from that, the overall structure of the algorithm is quite similar. The whole code can be found in our GitHub repository and description. In the next video, we'll demonstrate how BFS can be applied in real-world scenarios and practical use cases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.